Hello guys, mag-practice yung kanta guys. Too Much Love Will Kill You by Jobit Baldivino. 1, 2, 3, go. I'm just the pieces of the man I used to be. Too many bitter tears are raining down on me. I'm far away from home, and I've been facing this alone for much so long. Oh, I feel like no one ever told the truth to me about growing up and what a struggle it will be. In my tangled state of mind, I've been looking back to find where I went wrong. Too much love will kill you if you can't make up your mind. Torn between the lover and the love you leave behind. You're headed for disaster, 'cause you never read the signs. Too much love will kill you every time. I'm just the shadow of the man I used to be. It seems like there's no way out of this for me. I used to bring you sunshine. Now all I ever do is bring you down. How it will be if you were standing in my shoes? Can't you see that it's possible to choose? No, there's no making sense of it. Every way I go, I'm bound to lose. Oh, yeah! Too much love will kill you. Just as sure as not all. It's drained the power that's in you. Make you play and scared and crawl. And the pain will make you crazy. You're the victim of your crime. Too much love will kill you every time. Yeah, yeah. Too much love will kill you. I'll make your life a lie. Yes, too much love will kill you, and you won't understand why. You gave your love, you sell your soul, but hurts come again. Too much love will kill you, and the end, and the end. Yay! Ay, kapuyawan song pa lang.